ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರ. I don't know, can't speak so much. I'm pretty well first person. So, there are three stages to this. If you sit here among people or in your own home and you feel lonely, first stage of mental illness. If you start feeling lonely continuously, proper mental illness will come, next stage. If it continues, the torture of the mind is such, whatever pain you may have in the body, it doesn't torture you like that. The torture of the mind structure is such that you will want to kill yourself. Killing yourself looks like a relief. So don't belittle that person's suffering saying, chinna putta vishayam. It's not chinna putta things. You may think, see, somebody local farmer is there, he had only one cow, he lost it. He will go commit suicide. You say, what, for one cow you committed suicide? One cow is not a small thing for him, it's his life. Isn't it? So don't judge other people's lives by what it is. Somebody, something, their marriage failed, they'll kill themselves. What is there? If your marriage fails today, what's the problem? You marry another one. That's not how it is for him. For him, it's the end of life.
Stress is the main important.
Don't go like that. See, the problem is this. We have taken cliched words that Western world throws at you. Stress, anxiety, normal, this is. If you don't have stress, that means you're not doing anything worthwhile in the Western world. When I first went to America many years ago, everywhere I went, people were talking stress management. I thought, what's the problem here? Because in my understanding of life, we manage things which are valuable to us. We manage our family, we manage our wealth, we manage many things that matter to us. Why are these people managing stress? It took me some time to understand, they think stress is a part of their life. I want you to understand, stress is not a part of your life. You do not know how to manage your mind. You do not know how to manage your body. You do not know how to manage your chemistry. You do not know how to manage your emotions. So, no, my job is stress. Okay, we'll get you fired. Will you be joyful? Hello, sir? We'll get you fired. Will you be jumping in joy?
No,
No.
not at all.
If you don't have a job, you're stressful. If you get a job, you're stressful. If you get promotion, you're stressful. If you get fired, you're stressful. So stress is not in the activity. You do not know how to manage yourself. Essentially, it's a case of, see right now, suppose these two fingers start poking your eyeballs. What should I do?
Pain.
Just leave him like that? No, if this man cares for you, he'll hold your hand, what are you doing? If you're still uncontrollable, they will tie you up to the tree. Do something, somehow stop it, right? If your own fingers start poking your eyes, very difficult to stop it, isn't it? Right now what is happening? Your own thoughts and emotions are poking you to death. Why? Because you have not understood anything about the nature of your mind. You're trying to do all kinds of things in the world without knowing anything about this one. So, unfortunately, how to keep this one is missing in our education process. They're teaching you what is on the Mars, they're teaching you what is in Galaxy 165, but you don't know how this is. You don't know how your mind functions, you don't know how your body functions. Not from a medical book, from your experience you must know, isn't it? This is the system of yoga, this is why Adiyogi. Why Adiyogi is to inspire future generations, that you can handle well-being not by looking at heaven, not by going to this place or that place, but by learning to manage this scientifically in the right way. If you manage this well, if you create a chemistry of joy, you will be joyful. Nobody can take it away from you. If I look at them today, I don't have a single opinion about them. Because I look at them for what they are today, not for what they were 10 years ago. This is why people grow. Because there is no conclusion. Opinion means what? Your conclusion, isn't it? I never made a conclusion either about myself or any one human being around me. For work purposes, we may make short-term conclusions, that's all. But as a human being, I will never make a conclusion about you because human being is a possibility, not a conclusion. As long as you're alive, I won't make a conclusion. No, I understand. About another spiritual teacher, why will I make a conclusion? People gathered, it must have worked for them. Why would they gather otherwise? Other people can say whatever. If people gathered in thousands or millions or whatever, I don't know how many, but it must have worked for those people, isn't it? That's why I respect that. ಲೋಕ ಕಡಿತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಮೀನಲ್ಲಿ ತಾನೇ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಜಮೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆಸೋದು ಬರೀ ಹಣಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಎಲೆ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ತಾನೆ ಜಮೀನಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದು ತಾನೇ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಊಟ.
ಗೊಬ್ಬರ
ನಾವು ಎಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವರು ಎಲೆನೇ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಾನೆ. ಸಗಣಿ ಎಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ವಿಧವಾದ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಲವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಜೀವಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಊಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಡೆಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿಲು ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನಾನು ಇದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ ನನ್ನ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಾನೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಿರಕಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ? ಅದ್ಭುತ,
ವಿಸ್ಮಯ.
ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಅದ್ಭುತ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ದೇವರು ದೆವ್ವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ತಾನೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ತಾನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ನರಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ತಾನೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಅದ್ಭುತನೇ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಅ ಮಿರಕಲ್, ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಹೋಲ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಮಿಸರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮಷೀನ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಪ್ರೇಟ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ಥರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇದು ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೋ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಡವೋ ಅದು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ಸು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಡವೋ ಅದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಡವೋ ಅದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯ. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಡಿಬೇಕು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು ತಾನೇ ನಡಿಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು ನಡೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಲ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಆಕಸ್ಮಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹೇಗೋ ಬಾಳ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಆಕಸ್ಮಿಕವಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ತಾನೆ. ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ವಿಷಯ, ಮಿರಕಲ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಿರಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನು 2024 ಇದು ಸುಮಾರು ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 24 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 3 ಬಿಲಿಯನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು. See, the way the human beings act is, first they have to think about it, then they have to talk about it, then they have to invest their emotions, then action. When we started this in 2022, this was in March 2022, I started Safe Earth Movement. From London I rode a motorcycle. In January 2026 there was a COP, but 26, it's 29. Yes. COP 26. When that happened, I met a few environment ministers of various countries and asked, what are we doing about the soil? I said, what soil? Everybody is talking oil, nobody is talking soil. No, there is no money. No money. So I said, how can you talk about environment without addressing soil, which is the basis of our life? Oh, Sadhguru, you never saw it like that. So everybody's narrative, all the activist narrative is all about oil. Change the car, change the airplane, do this, do that. That also must happen. I am not saying it should not happen. But more express need is the basis of life, which is the microorganisms are dwindling away. 30% reduction in 78% of the soils on the planet, humidity. humidity goes, maybe 1 trillion organisms or 1 trillion species of organisms are gone. Nobody can even count because we don't know how many trillion species are there. Nobody knows. In a handful of soil, there is approximately 6 to 8 billion organisms in one hand. Okay, 50 to 60,000 species. That's how rich the soil is. It's because of that such complex life has come here. But we are killing that. It's suicide. It's not we're killing something else. It's suicide that we are committing. We are making sure that our children can never live well. Scientists are saying this. By 2045, doesn't matter what you have, you cannot live well on this planet. Somebody says, I'll take you to Mars. All the best. I'm not saying it's bad. It's up to you, but I like this planet. You?
Sir,
You like this planet?
we are comfortable.
It was possible. Many great beings have come on in this world, but when they spoke, hardly 10 people could hear them. And those 10 people made 10 different misinterpretations and delivered it to other people. This is the first time in the history of humanity we can sit here and talk to the entire world. When something like this is there in our hand as a generation, if we do not transform humanity in this generation, it just shows we don't care. I don't want to be that person. I don't want any of you to be that person. We must make sure that the best things reach all the people because this is the first time this opportunity is there in our hands. Krishna came, speaks only to one man. Hello? Buddha came, speaks to a few hundred people. Any number of sages and saints came, great beings. How many did they speak to? This is the first time you can sit here in these 6 billion views. Nearly 1.7 to 1.8 billion is unique views. That means 1.8 billion people are watching the videos. This means what? Almost a quarter of the adult population. But I'm not to be settled with that because when I started in 1982, I thought I could reach the entire population in 2.5 years' time. So it's 42 years. Only quarter population, so I'm working on that. Please, all of you, stay. Sadhguru Center for the Conscious Planet ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಸಾಯನದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಸಾಯನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ನಡೀತು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. ಇದು ಅದರಿಂದ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನನಗೆ ನಡೀಲಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ ನಡಿ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಭಾಳ ಸಿಂಪಲಾದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸುಮಾರು 300 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ಮಿರಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಈಗ 1.5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಭಾಳ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಹಣ, ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರಮೆಂಡಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ because this is all offered free, 100% free. So, huh?
So do you have any algorithm for that?
Yes, algorithms are there. People are building those codes. Experts are building those codes. I am not a software expert.
I'm asking you, sir. Have you given any information for that?
About
algorithm?